So the core of this recipe is our ricotta stand-in, which is built from tofu and hummus, both of which are regionally local sourced Vermont tofu, and some nice hummus from Massachusetts. After that, we add in nutritional yeast for a whole bunch of micronutrients, B vitamins. Then we stir in some fresh herbs, basil, and some garlic, some seasoning, and just mix that all together. From there, we layer it with a whole bunch of roasted vegetables, peas, spinach, zucchini, some mushrooms, and our everyday marinara sauce, which is already vegan to begin with. And it's just a nice, simple marinara that's sweet, clean flavor. Just layer it all together, then we bake it 350 until it reaches 165 degrees internally. And then once it's done, we sprinkle some vegan cheese on top and let that melt. And that's it. The nice thing about it is it really reads to our guests. It comes across as a good hearty lasagna. It's comfort food that's easily recognizable.